Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving LeetCode problem number 1051 height checker. This is very beginner friendly sorting problem that teaches array comparison logic. So let's get start. We are given an array called height. This array represents the height of the student standing in the line. We need to check how many students are not standing in the correct position compared to the sorting array method. Suppose the height is equals to 1 1 4 2 1 3. Now sort the array 1 1 1 2 3 4. Now compare both array index by the index. Original 1 1 4 2 1 3, sorted 1 1 1 2 3 4. Difference are index 2, index 4, index 5. So the answer becomes 3. The approach is simple. First create a copy of the original array, then sort the copy array. Now compare the original array with the sorted array. If the elements are different, increase the count. So let's move with the code. Sort. So this is the code. We satisfy all the type cases. We first create a original copy of the given array, then sort the copy array using sort extend begin to sort extend end. Now expected contain the original order of the height. Then analyze count equals to 0. Now compare both array index by index. If the height is not equals to the original array, it means the student is standing in the wrong position. So increase the count and finally return the count plus plus. Time complexity is O(n) log n because sorting take time, and place complexity is O into n because we create an copy array. So that was the code for the 1051 height checker. This is a perfect beginner problem for understanding sorting and array comparison. If this explanation helps you, make sure you should like the video, subscribe the channel and comment the next LeetCode problem to be solved. Thank you for watching.